This is how to make voice clones in ElevenLabs that sound exactly like you. So you're in your ElevenLabs dashboard, and you want to click on Voices over on the left sidebar. You'll see this blue button that says Create or Clone a Voice. Go ahead and click that. When the options pop up, select Instant Voice Cloning, because that's going to give you the quickest results. Alright, so now you need to upload your audio file. Click on Upload Audio Sample, and here's the thing. Your audio needs to be at least 1 minute long, and it can't have any background noise. Trust me on this one, clean audio makes all the difference. Then test your uploaded audio sample if everything is right. The zebra's home is where the earth meets the sky. Fill in the name field with something you'll actually remember later, like your name, or maybe something like my voice, or whatever makes sense to you. You can throw in some labels too if you want. Male, female, accent type, whatever helps you organize things. Add a description while you're at it, because future you will thank you for remembering what this voice was for. Now you gotta check that consent box. This is basically confirming that you have the rights to clone this voice. Hit Save Voice and let it do its thing. Once the processing wraps up, you'll land on this completion page. This is where it gets fun. Click Generate Speech to actually test out your new voice clone. Like and subscribe.